This is BoBoLoom. Hi, I'm BoBoLoom. Today we will be making a waterfall, basically a single triple. Today I will be making one out of these colors, green, white, pink, and blue. But I made one like this with the fun loom, which is red going all the way down, black going in the middle, red going down again, and then in the middle is blue bands, making it all connect. Then I have made past ones, like I made this one, which is multicolor, which you can do also, has little multi everywhere. Then I also have made a creeper out of them. It's very easy. I'll show you that in one of my next videos. Okay, so let's get started. First, I did this on a peg right here, second to last. I put a blue band because that's as far as we're going, and then we have to put a rubber band right there. Then for the middle, you need to put one right there. Then I put this yellow band right here because you have to stop your triangles right there when we do the bracelet, which is the triangles will form it where it's stuck together. So then this one is where you have to stop on this side. And then here you have to loop all of them there. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to take one green band and put it right there. One blue band and put it in the middle. And one white band, putting it to the right. Now you're going to take you're going to take 14 more greens and put it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Once you get to where the first blue band is, you're going to stop and then take your very last green band. You should have 15 green bands, and you're going to put it from here, this peg, to that peg. Right? Just like that. It should form like from right going out, pointing up, pointing to the left, and then going up, then turning again. Now, we are going to use our blues. You should go up at least 13 more because you should have 14. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, go past the yellow one, 11, 12, and then guess I have one extra, 13, not going to use this one, putting it back there. Okay, now it should be forming like this. One out to the right, up the middle, and then one out to the left. It should form 2 straight rows. This one just going flat up, that one have a rubber band going to the middle. Okay, remember your loom should be facing this way where you can see a U. Okay, now we're going to take our whites and go up 14 more just like the green one. once again, stopping at the blue little part that you put there and putting one more white band right there. You should have 15 white bands from there, that peg right there, up to here and there. You should have 15. From here to here, you should have 14, and from here to here, you should have 15. Okay, now we are going to do the triangles with pink. All you're going to do is take this rubber band, put it right from this peg to these two, just like that. I know it looks small, but it works. And you're going to do it all the way up to that yellow peg, to the yellow little mark that you put up with the rubber bands. I'm almost to the 12th peg of doing these triangles. Okay, and you're going to do one right there. Then your very last one will be from this peg to these two. That will help you remind you that this is the last one, just like that. So it should look, if you turn this way, it should look like a ladder. Okay, now, one more thing on this part before we start looping. You're going to push that part right down and then grab one band, cat band it, which you do that, figure 8 and put it back on, and then you're going to take it off your fingers and put it right on that peg. Then take your rainbow loom hook and you're going to take this band, the cat band, and push it to the side, grab the white band to your left, pull it over and put it on that peg, just like that. Then you're going to do the same with the middle. Pull the cat band aside, grab this rubber band that goes down the middle and put it up. It's a lot easier with different colors, that way you can do the looping easier. Then you're going to take the green band and put it right there. Now, you're going to do the same, push these two aside and grab the one at the very bottom, just like that, and then pull it over, put it on the peg. Take the pink triangle, move it away, grab the white band, and pull it over onto that peg. And do that again until you reach the end. If a rubber band breaks, then you will have to restart, or you can try to replace it, which will be hard. So be very careful not to break them, but they break, but it doesn't break very often. Pull the pink aside and pull it up. Stop right at this peg right here, which is a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th peg. Then take this band right here, this white one, and it should be the only one there. You're going to take it and pull it over there. Then we're going to skip the middle for now and go to the green part. Going to push this first green peg away, first green rubber band, and then grab this thin one and pull it over. Be careful not to have this go away because then you will have to restart. Pulling the pink away and pushing the green one ahead. And pulling the pink away, pushing the green one ahead. So basically doing the same thing you did on the white peg. And do that until you reach the peg right there. Going to do this with you because I don't want you to pause the video. Because then it'll take forever. Because I've watched videos before and I do not like it when I have to pause. Okay, so okay, the last one before that peg. Okay, keep that right there. Do not loop that one. Now we are going to do the middle. Okay, now that we've just finished this row, we are going to start on the blue. We have already looped from here. So you're going to move that. There's one blue, and then you're going to pick it up with your hook and push it over. And keep on doing that, and only grab blues because there is no other color unless you have did it wrong. And it should just look like a bunch of single bracelets. The middle is the easiest, that's why you always do it last. Once you are done, which I'm almost, it will look like 3 single bracelets on one loom. Okay. Okay, last one, you are going to loop over right there and push down and make sure it is the first one on the very top. Okay, now, this one we didn't loop yet, so you're going to take it and pull it over, and then the green should be on top out of all of these rows. Now, we are going to take one rubber band. You're going to take one black rubber band and put your loom hook into this little hole in the U, and then push it to the side and then pull up with your hook. Put this right there and then put your rubber band on that right there. There is a little box. Then you are going to take all of these colors, all the different bands onto the black band. Make sure that you don't take the black band off. Okay, then put it all on that. Then you're going to take it off, but you have to do one at a time, just like that. You're going to take it and just pull it forward. Make sure you don't lose these so you hold on to it. Make sure you are careful when you do this, because if you break a rubber band, then it'll be smaller and you might have to restart. So if it's stuck, then be careful and don't just pull it and try to cut it. Just like that one's stuck, you just have to pull from behind. Just like that, and then pull it over. Then, once you pull it off, you had a cat band right there, so don't worry when you take it off. It'll stay just like that. Mine looks like this at the end. Yours should too. Now, you're going to take rubber bands, and I'm going to use a couple of rubber bands, just like these. Wow. Just like these ones. Just multicolored. And now we are going to get back to the loom. Turn it where it is a U shape. Then you are going to take one color and push it up. Put it right there. First 2 pegs. Then go up 2 pegs. And up 2 pegs. Up 2 pegs. It should be, then stop on the 11th peg. If you're doing it with me, we are now on the 8th peg with pink. And if you're using the same colors, 9, and then 10, 11. Put all your extras in a baggie. Make sure you have one C-clip. I got this one from BoBoLoom. It's clear. Can't see it. Let me see here. Looks like that. It's clear right there. Now, make sure you have that right there. Now, this is what you're going to do. Make sure you still have this on your hook. Take these black bands, flip your loom over so it looks like a rainbow. Then put these black bands on top of the number 11th band. Now, pull your bracelet backwards, then you're going to loop, take this one, and push it forward. And then keep on doing that until you reach the end. This will make it where you can wear it on, put it on your hand. Or it'll make an extension. Make sure that you do not make this if you are putting it on a pencil or anything else, because it'll hang off and you will not be able to write. So this is for the bracelet. It's my way of doing it. You don't have to. You can just use your fingers and do it. And then once you've done that, you are going to need your C-clip. Put it on the very end, which is right there, and push it down until you have all the rubber bands on it. Make sure that you have them on. Then you're going to pull them off, and then you have it just like this. Then you are going to take this cat band and put it on the rubber band bracelet. Then you are all done. Comment below and write down and comment below and put down all of the things that you want me to make, and I will make them in my next video. Thanks. Bye-bye. Bobo time.